In this video, we will show you how to create your first trip and do a quick walkthrough of the Itinerary Builder interface. The first thing we're going to want to do is select the New Trip button up here at the top left. From here, you're going to get two options for the type of trip you can create, either proposal or itinerary. We're going to stick with an itinerary today, but if you want more information regarding proposals, make sure to check out the Proposal Getting Started Guide video. Once you've selected the type of trip you want to create, you're going to be brought to what we call the Trip Builder. I recommend starting out in your trip settings and inputting as much information into these four areas as best you can. This is where you can set the trip name, start date, price per person or total, as well as the description if you want to include any custom messaging or important links that you want to appear at the top of the itinerary. You can also change your cover photo just by clicking Change Cover Photo. You can use our database to bring in royalty-free images, upload your own. If there's a website you want to grab photos from, just copy and paste the URL into here. But you can also choose to just copy and paste images. On the left-hand side are going to be where your days are. If you need to add more days to your trip, just select New Day. And if you need to input a start date, you can go back to your settings and do that. Or you can also click into the day itself and add a date like so. When you're ready to add events to any of these days, just select the day that you're adding an event to and select New Event. From here, you're going to get a drop-down list of all the different types of events you can add into here. There's multiple ways of adding events in, either by creating them manually, or you can choose to import a lot of information utilizing our various supplier integrations. You're also going to be able to drag and drop your events into any order that you would like, and the same goes for days. You can choose to just drag and drop the days into whatever order you need it to be. On the right-hand side here is going to be our library. This is where the information you've saved to the library is going to live that you can use over and over again on your trip, so you don't have to create events and days from scratch for each trip. Just drag and drop them into wherever you want on your trip. You're also going to find city guides over here. Just select the City Guides tab and search for the destination that you're looking for to bring up a guide. You'll also notice the discussion area. This is connected to the different mobile apps, including Trip Plans and Travefy Pro, that you can use to communicate back and forth with your clients. Lastly, if we select Send, you get two options to send a trip out. One is through the trip link. You can grab the web link, you can send directly to your client, or the app link. You can also choose to email directly from the system. Just simply type in their emails. You can choose whether or not you want to CC yourself, and include a custom message, which you can create in your library and choose from the various messages you have saved. But that's it. That's how you can create a trip within your Travefy account. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of the Getting Started videos.